Good afternoon. I'm Lieutenant Governor Howie Morales, and I'm speaking to you today from my home here in Silver City, New Mexico. I want to take this moment to say thank you to all of our healthcare professionals and our direct care providers across the state of New Mexico who are working around the clock to keep us all safe during this public health emergency. And thank you to our first responders, fire and police, government workers at all levels, for those who work in the grocery and convenience stores, for keeping the shelves stocked so that we may have food in our kitchens. We'd also like to say thank you to all the child care providers, our public school employees, and all those churches and nonprofits who are working and volunteering to make sure that we are able to feed our children and our seniors during this time. We are grateful for your hard work and your service to our communities while the rest of us do social distancing. I'm proud of the way that New Mexicans have handled this crisis, and I'm proud of the way that our governor has made sure that we're going to do all we can to be proactive in attacking this. For all those business owners who have been affected, we thank you for your understanding and ask that every single one of us continue in one way or another support our small businesses. We're also grateful for the cooperation and the collaboration that we've had with our tribal communities. We understand that it was a difficult choice to have to close down casinos and racetracks, but you did that for the greater good, and we are grateful that we continue to work together. For all of our hotel, motel, gym, and spa owners, thank you as well for your understanding, and we appreciate that we are all coming in this together. We know this is tough. It's painful for our business owners, our families, our education and our healthcare systems, and our economy, but we have no choice. As of today, March 21st, our Department of Health officials are reporting that there are 19 new cases in New Mexico, bringing a total to 57. I cannot stress enough the importance of social distancing. Quédase en tu casa, stay home, to make sure that we can get our hands wrapped around this virus and that we can ensure that we stop the spread and protect our family members and our loved ones. Many times I've heard that people aren't worried about coronavirus, and if it's to be, it's to be. But I ask you to take a step back and to recognize that this isn't just about us. It's about our loved ones, especially our elderly. We want to do all we can to ensure that we don't transmit this virus to others and have an impact of continual spread in the state of New Mexico. I have been working from home myself, as I have chosen to self-quarantine after taking a trip to Washington, D.C. on state business. Thankfully, I've shown no symptoms and I'm healthy. But this isn't about me. It's about making sure that I'm keeping those around me safe and healthy and not spreading this virus. I ask that you continue to practice social distance, stay 6 feet away from anyone else, and to make sure that if at all possible, that you remain at home. Together we can get through this. We will get through this, but that we must take every precaution at this point. And finally, please be kind and fair to one another. Let's get through this together. New Mexico strong, New Mexico united, unidos.